Hey everyone and welcome back. Today's video is going to be our Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. We're going to get diving right into it, but if you guys are wanting to know when each bag starts, I'll go ahead and put timestamps right here for you guys. No need to chatter. We know what we're here for, so let's do this. I actually really like the bag. I think it's very Valentine's inspired, feminine, and it's really pretty, and it's something I would definitely see myself purchasing. Very first thing, which we have here, which is by Hey Honey. It is a Trick and Treat CC Active Moisturizing Cream with honey and propolis. So this here is for light to medium skin tone. And if this is anything like the IT Cosmetics CC cream, I'm hoping the coverage will be somewhat similar. I would totally buy a large version of this because the CC cream is one of my favorites in the summer. Yes. So here is the color. It does look a little bit light on my skin right now. I rather have it light than dark because typically I get samples like this and it never works out because they're way too dark for me. But something like this would give me just enough to know if I like it, and if so, I would totally buy it. The next thing we have in here is this box, and this here is by Tarte. I hope I said that right. I think that's how you say it. It is the Glow to Highlighter Illuminating Powder Highlight. I got the shade Moon Dust. I've actually never tried a highlighter from them, so I'm actually excited. I actually really like that. It's like a really light rose gold. The next product I have is by Feel, and this is the Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. This is a deep skin and gentle exfoliation. Very nice. I could definitely see myself using that. I like anything that says exfoliating on it. Next thing I have in here is this here by Cella, and this is an eyeliner pen, and this is in the shade Brown. I have so many of these, so I really do not want to open this just because I have like 5 or 6 of these that are unopened because I don't like to open these and then they just go bad. And then the last thing I have in here, oh, I like the packaging on this. I believe the brand is called Belle and Argent, and it looks like it is a lipstick. Look at the packaging on that, you guys. Isn't that packaging gorgeous? Oh, that's beautiful. Very nourishing at the same time. That's a really pretty color. Really wish the camera wouldn't have picked it up as red, but can you bring my computer charger? Thank you. Eva and I, if you guys don't know, I have a daughter. Her name's Eva, but Eva and I are home alone while the boys start basketball, and she's being a big helper tonight while I'm filming. Could you go down there and plug it in? Be careful where you step. Here, go under here. She just stole a candy on her way out. We're gonna open the box. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We are getting an IT Cosmetics brush in this box. This one here is the Heavenly Luxe Flat Top Buffing Foundation Brush. This is awesome. Like, this alone just makes me so excited about the box. Like, I'm already so excited. What is this, by Tarte? We're getting a Tarte palette? This is the Tarte Double Duty Dream Big eyeshadow palette. A total of 8 shades. 6 of them are the smaller pans, and then the 2 larger ones, one of them is like a soft matte, and then the other one's like a neutral sparkly shadow. Let's go ahead and do some swatches together so you guys can see just what it looks like. Ambitious, which is just a soft matte cream, which barely even shows up on my skin. Okay, there we go. There's Ambitious. Risk Taker. Oh, that's pretty. We've got You Can. This purple one is called Happenin'. Hustle is like a very deep brown black with different colors of microfleck glitters in it. Then you got This Is It, which is like a soft rose gold shadow. All In, which is this pinky, kind of a pinky red shade. This chocolate brown. Keep in mind that this chocolate brown and then this matte cream shadow are the only 2 mattes in the palette. Like, look at the full-size mirror. Really nice. It's 30 bucks. I think it's pretty cute. I really like that palette. Okay, so the next one I have here is this box, and this is by the brand, hi Chihuahua, they just want me to butcher this, Mayel. I probably said it wrong. But it is a sun-kissed bronzer. It's a healthy summer radiance for all year round. Oh, this is beautiful. So I assume the way that you apply this is that you take your entire brush and you swirl it and use it as a bronzer, which is great. I just don't like bronzers that have any micro like shimmers in it or any like reflex to it because of my texture. It emphasizes it pretty good. So this is just the highlighter itself. That's nice. I like that. The bronzer. Oh, that's pretty. And then this is the lighter bronzer right here. So this is it mixed all together. And these are them separately. Knowing how I am, we'll use this in separate, you know, like on its own in little pieces. and this retails for $32. So I have this by Sun and Park, and this here is a Beauty Filter Cream Glow. Oh, it's primer. It's loaded with flower extracts like lily, rose, jasmine, so it helps control oil and complexion for an instant glow. So that is what it looks like. The packaging is beautiful. I love the way it looks. And then you do get a little spatula to go along with it. So I'll definitely try this as a primer because that's what it says you can use it as. Oh yes, okay, so this is a K-beauty brand. I thought it was. And you guys, I have been loving a lot of the K-beauty brands that I have been discovering. I have a few things that I had received in PR, and I've been trying them out, like face masks, primers, just random stuff here and there, and a lot of their skincare is incredible, so I'm excited for that. The last thing I have in here is a lipstick. So this here is called Finding Fernandad. Whoa, that is intense. All right. Really pretty. All right. You guys can probably figure out which one I liked. I definitely have to say that the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, again, killed it. I think the past couple of months that we've done this, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus has always killed it. And definitely because of the brush, it is something I've been wanting to try, and I'm super excited for it. I have to say I'm pretty impressed with my bags this month. I wouldn't say that my $10 bag was the best, but it's not bad. Like, it's good. It's not incredible, but it's not bad. You know what I mean? Way to go, Ipsy. I liked it. Anyways, if you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before you guys head out. That way you guys are notified. I do upload on Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. I do unboxings, hauls, makeup reviews, tutorials, all that good stuff here on my channel. If you guys are returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys all in my next video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.